Hello Divi fans, this is Alexander from Website Promoters. This is going to be a short follow-up video to my previous two videos about interactions. So this is I have four interactions here. So for this image here, I have interaction that is triggered upon a mouse entering this image. The image has the admin label of image interaction, and the movement type is scale, the sensitivity of 10. Let's change the sensitivity. Let's increase it to 25. So you can see scaling effect is now more powerful. It scales at a much higher rate when the sensitivity is higher. Another thing, for each module, you can only have one effect, whether it's scale, tilt, or rotate. The one that is applied last will override any scale, tilt, or rotate interactions. Also, I have it so when the mouse enters this area, a different preset is added to this text above the image. So I have a preset that is called text preset 10. Basically, when the mouse enters this image, it changes the text to red. Also, when the mouse exits, it removes the preset, so the text above the image goes back to a white color. The interaction feature has the potential to make websites a lot more dynamic compared to what was available in Divi 4. In Divi 4, to have these interaction effects, you had to use JavaScript code and CSS. Whenever there is a new feature of Divi 5 released by Elegant Themes, there will likely be another video explaining that new feature. So make sure to like, share, leave comments, and subscribe.